Talking about chili today, and I like big chunks of meat and stuff for my chili. So I've chopped up some chuck roast here. Big bite-sized pieces there. I like a big hearty chili, and I'm also going to throw in some ground beef in there as well. Kind of a traditional thing for chili. As far as the veggies that are going in, we got onions, a serrano chili pepper there. That's all we had left. So I'll probably add a bit more heat with some red chili pepper or cayenne pepper. I've got the bell peppers all diced up there. Usually I use a green bell pepper, but we had the colorful ones in the fridge today, so we're using that. It's snowed last night, so we've got about a little over a foot of snow, so I don't feel like jumping in the car and driving to the supermarket to get a bell pepper. So we use what we have. I'm also going to start the chili off with a little bit of bacon. So once again, no sugar, uncured, no nitrates in this one. So good bacon to use. So we're going to use that to render the fat out, to fry the meat off in it. And then for seasonings, I get this La Mesa chili powder from one of the local spice shops, spice merchants in Downers Grove here in Illinois. We're also going to use some granulated garlic, some cumin, and usually I'll use like paprika or something like that to get a little bit of smokiness into it. But as you can tell, I'm running low. So a little trick I found is that there's a tea from China called Lapsang Souchong. It's a black tea that's actually smoked over pine. So when you brew this, it actually smells like a campfire. So I like that kind of aroma in my chili, so I'm going to steep a little bit of Lapsang Souchong in this chili as well. Another little thing that I do is put cocoa powder in there, which is an idea from the Mexican cooking moles and things like that, which they use cocoa and things like that, and it really livens up the chili and makes it sort of this rich, deep flavor. And then, of course, diced tomatoes and some black beans. The black beans we're going to omit, of course, if you're on the Whole30 reset program, or if you have issues with legumes in general. That is not something you want to be putting in your chili, so you can just omit that. But otherwise, everything else that you see that's going to go in here is Whole30 compliant and clean. Technically, beans are clean, depending which diet you're following, but we don't have issues with legumes in our family, so we do eat them. Not a whole lot, but if it's chili, you've got to have beans in there if you can have them.